We are doing yard drainage, solving a yard drainage issue in Oakland Township, Michigan. When we build these beautiful outdoor living spaces and we use landscape for privacy, we maximize our backyards to their fullest potential, and we want this up north like setting, trying to soften the two-story homes that may be alongside us or behind us. What we end up doing is we end up changing the way this lot was intended to drain. The original development, and when the builder left this with the final grade, there were swales that carried the water to a storm drain catch basin. Also, the neighbor's water cut across into a swale on this lot. Well, because of the berm and all the trees and the privacy, they have been pumping the water that gets trapped between the berm, the landscape. Right here, you can see this is just something somebody cemented in. I'm not busting it out, I'm just working around it. I went around on both sides with pipe and stone. But what we're doing to drain this, the system that you're used to seeing us build, we got our MDOT approved filter fabric. It's going to move 90 gallons of water through a square foot of it per minute. We got our coarse washed rock. It's going to move a lot of water. So we're going to pick up all the water that collects back here, because all the water that runs down the back of this lot ends up over here as well. So we're managing a lot of water. I need to move a lot of water. I need to move it fast. So I'm working with my 8 slot per valley pipe, a lot of inlet, and again, a high performing geofabric. We get around all the evergreen trees, the berm, and there's so much drop here. Again, I never use inlets in my system. I don't have to. The way I build my systems, the more stone, the better the drain. This is not an inlet. This is an outlet. This is for the discharge of the system. And then the water's just going downhill to the storm drain catch basin where it was intended originally. For a professional yard drainage contractor in Oakland Township, Michigan, give us a call.